Okay, 4b. So 4b says, just like we talked in part 1, let f of x, or y, or f of x, be the particular solution to the given differential equation. So this is referring to a formula that would represent the amount. This represents the rate of change, or the tangent slope of this. So they want to, okay, so we're thinking of that. Initial condition f of 2 equals 3. That means the formula we're looking for has an x-coordinate of 2 and a y-coordinate of 3. Write an equation of the line tangent, careful, write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of f. So here's f. We're supposed to write an equation for this line here. So we know the basic format's going to be this. And that's not going to work to write on the blue so well, but like that. So that's our format for that line. We know this point of tangency has to be the point x equal 2. And we know that on the graph of f, when x equals 2, the y-coordinate is 3. They told us that right there. So we need to write that equation. We need the slope of that line. The slope of that line is exactly the same as the slope of f. The slope of f right here. So to find the slope of f, we need the formula for f prime. But we have the formula for calculating the slope of f. It's right here. Because as we talked about in part A, this is the formula for the rate. This is the formula we don't have yet for the amount. So we use this rate formula, and we calculate the slope of f when x equals 2. So let's do that over here. So we're going to find dy dx when the x-coordinate is 2 and the y-coordinate is 3. Which means we'll have 3 being squared divided by 2 subtract 1. That's a slope of 9. So now we can actually write our equation right here and collect a point. Here's our slope of 9, our x-coordinate of 2, our y-coordinate of 3. That's 1 point. Use your equation to approximate f of 2.1. The idea is, if this picture were very enlarged, we'd pretend that right here is an x-coordinate of 2.1. And the y-coordinate we don't know, but could be found if we had the formula for f. That would be f of 2.1. We are supposed to approximate this value. The way we do that is we instead go find this value. We go find that y-coordinate. This y-coordinate is found using this formula for the line, or this formula for the line. So we use that formula, and we are approximating f of 2.1. So that's approximately equal to this formula with the x-coordinate of 2.1 plugged in. And that's all we do, and we collect a point for that. And that's 2 total points.